It's Max, it's Max. He's a cranky puppet.
Bite me. Wait, this is still a thing?
Yes, Max, COVID is still a thing. It's been a thing for, I don't know, a year?
Wait, I got a great idea for a song. BRB. On the 12th month of COVID, the virus sent to me 12 months of sweatpants. These pants don't even fit me anymore. 11 hours zooming.
Is clothing optional on this?
10 masks protecting. 9 nurses testing. 8 kids a-gaming. 7 parties sucking. 6 feet of distance. 5 moms confused.
What do you mean it's pointed at the ceiling?
4 checkups missed. 3 children miffed. 2 canceled trips. And a year I'd like to have back.
He's a cranky puppet.
Bite me. And that is why I do not wear pants.